This is the starter file for the fitness prototype. There's 3 screens. The main screen's in the middle, which I'll explain in a second. There's a stat screen on the right, and then there's a menu over on the left. And then I added some branding color to make a nice consistent visual design. And I also added a little bit of an effect here on the stats circles. I have a layer blur on the green part, which makes them look a bit like they're glowing and kind of standing out. Okay, so the main screen is where we start, and I want to have the menu icon up in the corner bring in this menu from the left, so that's why I put it on the left. Okay, so I'm going to switch navigate to open overlay, and the whole entire thing will be an overlay, and then I'm going to position the overlay so it covers half of the main screen. So I'm going to slide it over a little bit so I can see the menu page and half of the main screen. Okay, so I have open overlay, that's great. I used manual, that's fine. And then I want to have it slide in from the left. So we're going to use move in, and then I'm going to switch the arrow to be coming from the left. Okay, let's go take a look at that in our preview mode. Okay, so I tap the menu button, the menu slides in, but I can't see any of the items because they're on the wrong side of that page. So we're going to go back to design, and we're going to grab all the menu words by shift click and selecting. And then we're just going to slide them over to be on the other side of that screen. Okay, let's go back and take a look at that in our prototype play mode. Okay, now when I tap on the menu icon, the menu slides in, and I can still see part of the main screen. Okay, let's go back and finish up wiring our prototype. So I'm going to take the stats from the menu and wire it to the stats page. Okay, so this one I want to change the direction it moves, so I'm going to leave navigate to there. Keep it move, but I want to move in the other direction, so I'm going to have the stats page come in from the right hand side. And then I'm going to also wire running to the main screen because that's showing me my running map, and I'll also have it move in from the right side. I'm going to take the close arrow, the back arrow on the stats page and wire it to the main screen. And this time I'm just going to use instant. All right, so we'll play our prototype, and we'll see when our menu works the way it did before. It's fine. Tap on stats, that slides in from the right, and tap on the arrow to go to the main screen, but that doesn't always work because the arrow is so small, we may not be able to tap in quite the right place. So let's go back and try that a different way. So I'm going to select the wire from that arrow and delete to get rid of it. Okay, and the only thing at the top of the screen now is the arrow. I can actually select this whole box up there and wire it to the main screen. So it's kind of like a little cheat since the arrow is not actually selectable. Okay, we'll play this, and now when we tap on let's go to our stats page. When we tap on the back arrow from the stats page, we go back to the main screen. And then we can go to the menu, we can go back to the main screen for running, we can go back to the menu and go to stats.